Hello and welcome back. This is your evolutionary news report. Our topic today is the amazing Echinodermata Holothuroidea, commonly known as the sea cucumber. As you can see, the sea cucumber has the shape and texture of a cucumber. There are over 1,000 species of sea cucumbers, which are found in all oceans, especially the Indian and the Western Pacific. Now over to you, Paul.
And now for the defensive mechanisms part of your broadcast. Get defensive with defensive mechanisms. Expelling organs. In an act of defense, the sea cucumber has the capability to expel its organs, to either scare off surprise predators or satisfy the predator that the sea cucumber is dead. It has amazing regenerative powers to replace its organs. Sea cucumbers can liquefy. A substance called catch collagen provides the structure of the sea cucumber's body wall. If in the presence of danger, the only escape for the sea cucumber is a narrow opening smaller than its own body, it can activate the catch collagen to loosen its body into a liquid form and flow through the crack. However, the sea cucumber also has the choice to use the catch collagen to harden its body in an attempt to resist the attacks of the predator. Toxins. Sea cucumbers have the ability to discharge toxins into the water. This causes the predator to feel great discomfort and leave the sea cucumber alone. However, expelling toxins into the water is a last resort for sea cucumbers as it takes a long time to replace the toxins. Therefore, sea cucumbers use another measure of expelling their internal organs as a defense response. The sea cucumber's body has evolved in a way that its regenerative powers can easily repair any or replace all organs.
Breaking news!
Sea cucumbers have no brain. That's right, folks. The sea cucumber's functions are guided by a ring of neural tissue which surrounds its oral cavity. If part of the sea cucumber were to be severed, it would still function normally.
Introduction to the reproduction.
Sea cucumbers live together. They have the ability to reproduce sexually or asexually. During spawning, sea cucumbers travel to the top of reef structures and release their gametes into the surrounding current. Sexual reproduction is more common and usually occurs within large groups of sea cucumbers.
In other news, the sea cucumber population is dwindling due to overfishing. Asexual reproduction is an ever-increasing option among the Holothuroideas. This evolutionary characteristic prevents the sea cucumber population from disappearing quicker, since asexual reproduction is the act of reproducing in the absence of a male or female.
Fossils. Body fossils of whole holothurians are rare. One is pictured below. The oldest reported body fossil of a holothuroid is from the Lower Devonian period, while the oldest undoubted ossicle fossil is from the Upper Silurian period. It's time for evolution.
Echinodermata evolved during the Cambrian period. Ectoderm adults have radial symmetry, but they evolved from ancestors that were bilaterally symmetrical. Now they have free-swimming bilateral larvae that metamorphose into adults with radial symmetry.
The Holothuroidea have evolved over 540 million years, the time when the ancestors of sea cucumbers and their relatives first appeared in the ocean. Holothuroids probably evolved by at least the Lower Silurian, most likely from a little-known group of extinct Paleozoic ectoderms called epiphysoids. Ossicles that fill the skin surface of sea cucumber are remnants of a skeleton typical of other echinoderms. Over millions of years, sea cucumbers have lost the rigid skeleton.
And that concludes your evolutionary report. Thank you for tuning in.